As a retirement specialist and the retirement guide to my clients, our conversations with our clients are very different than when you were in your working years. For many of our clients, money really isn't the issue, the concern. They've been through the 7-step planning process. They have the confidence that they are on track to pursue their respective retirement goals. So the real question becomes, what do I do with the rest of my life? What do I do with the time that I now have that I'm no longer working? So let me give you a little bit of an insight. When we talk to our clients in one of our 1-hour formal meetings, we spend a little bit of time on the money management side of things, but we spend a lot of time just really talking about life. And I recall a conversation I had with a client of mine. They were both about to retire. They're in their mid-70s. And I asked him, what concerns you about retirement? And he says, I don't know what I'm going to do with all of the time that I'm now going to have. And I turned to her and I said, well, what's your concern? And it was, I don't know what I'm going to do with him being in the house all the time. And as humorous as that was, there was some truth to it. So it really is, as you transition into and through retirement, getting a sense of how you'll balance this next chapter of life. And as your retirement guide, we spend a fair amount of time talking with you and prepping you before you retire and just into retirement, how you should think about balancing the new home life, what you're going to do with the rest of your life, and all of that time. I can tell you this, that a truly successful retirement definition for many of my clients is, I don't know how I had enough time to work before. And I hope that is the case for you as well.